Imagine a world where GIS is done in seconds, not hours. Today, I will walk you through on how to use DeepSeek AI to carry out analysis as a beginners or professionals without knowing too much about Python coding or QGIS manual setup. So I have the question on my DeepSeek. I want to create a map in QGIS. Could you help me? Then I'll click on run. While we get the response, we got the installation process, how to install it, how to open it. This is the site where you can download QGIS software. It's an open source. Several details on how to carry it out in detail. You can just follow this for educational purpose and learn later. We would like to go a step further by saying I would like to see the coordinate of important places in Nigeria. Could you please provide a Python code that can run in my Python code suite to see the result in QGIS? So these are the Python code we have. It's still processing that for us, and also we were able to get the steps, not only the code. We can get it done with the step listed above. Not only the code, we have the code and the step as well. So what I'll do is to copy this code and I'll paste it under my QGIS plugin. Under this plugin, I'll click on plugin and I'll click on Python Kosu, and I'll click on run script. These are the important places in Nigeria. Moving forward, we'll come to our AI and ask the next questions by saying in the script, could you include a base map for the contest? So I want it to have a base map so that it can be more detailed. We can get to know the exact locations that each of the points is falling in. Get the code now, the updated code, right? And then we're going to copy that into the script. So what I'll do is to copy this out. I'll clear the previous script and I'll delete this layer from the layer. So I'll paste the new code, then I'll click on run. Base map error, no module named quick map services. So the code could not launch the quick map services. So to do that, I can quickly come to my plugins here. Under these plugins, what you can do is you click on manage and install plugins. You search for quick map services. This is it here. You search for quick map services. So when you search for quick map services, you click on it and you click on install plugins. Okay, but bringing it in, this is how to bring it in. When I click on web, I'll come to quick map services, and under that we have OSM, right? And I'll click on OSM standard. Okay, so with that, now we've bring in the OSM, that is OpenStreetMap. So these are the locations that we have, the important places in Nigeria. These are the locations we have, Lagos and several locations, right? So moving forward, I would say please set the coordinate system to WGS 84 in the code. Define nice pleasing symbols and add labels with the names of each places, and I will run that. We have the code still running, coming up with a step as well. This is the updated code now. So what I'll do is to copy this new code and I'll clear this. Discard. Also, this will be turned off and move this away. Remove this from the layer to get an updated code. I'll paste it, then I will run. We now have the names of the places which we requested for. We have the coordinate system WGS 84. I would also like to say in the code, draw lines in between points, calculate the distance between them, and add the footprint of Nigeria main train station in the code as well. And I will run that. Draw lines, calculate the distance, add the footprint of main train station. The code is coming up. Aside you running the Python code, you can use the step manually to achieve whatever you also feel like doing. And I'll copy that. I'll copy the code as we've been doing earlier. We'll clear this and then remove this, remove layer. So I'll run this new code. As you can see here, we have train station as requested, and we have the lines between places. From what we prompted earlier, we said it should calculate the distance between each point. So when you check this on the screen, you can see the distance between each point. If I should come and uncheck this, this is the important places here which we have earlier, and these are the lines between the point along with the distances of each places. This is the train station here. So when you click on this line between stations under the open attribute table, you can quickly check out the distance between each point. These are the distances between the point. And with this now, we've carried out analysis requesting the AI to prompt important places in Nigeria, which was the first requested code. Moving forward, we requested for the base map along with the line between the places and the distances between it, and also we requested for train station. So it's very easy to prompt your AI to carry out any tasks, any duties that you want to assign it to do. Yeah, it was interesting using DeepSeek to run QGIS program as a beginner and professional. There are still many more AI we will explore on. If you have any question, ensure you drop it on the comment section, and most importantly, ensure you subscribe to learn more on this useful development. See you on my next video.